Hey guys, Robert Field and Bailey Munson here from Lightning Kayaks, and in this video we are going to show you how to replace the pulley and cable system on the Freedom Drive for your Lightning Kayaks.
So for removing the pulley and cable, we use a 7/16 ratchet wrench and a vice grip. You can place the vice grip here, tight, and then you just unscrew this nut. Same thing on the other side. So that's how you get the cable out. In order to get the pulley out, you just unscrew this set screw. This is just a pin and a pulley.
So pretty simple, just a cable, a pin, a pulley, and a nut.
So when you're putting the pulley back on, there's one important orientation to make note of. This, where the pulley goes, is the front of the drive, and the pulley has a stubby end and a longer end. You want to make sure the stubby end is toward the front of the drive, so it sits in there like this. The pin has a flat spot for the set screw to set. You're just going to place the pulley where it goes, put the pin through with the flat part facing toward the screw area. Screw in the set screw. Make sure it's tight by pushing on the pin, and it should be good to go. So for putting the cable back on for the pulley, you're going to place one end through this hole here, this being where the pulley is, so this is on the opposite end of where the pulley is. Put that screw through, hand tighten, nut onto this end, and you're going to pull the cable to the other side and put it through the other end. Same thing, hand tighten. Squeeze the cable so that it goes on the bottom of these two butterfly pieces here, right next to the chain cables, and push it over the pulley like this. Now that it's set in place, you can tighten it. You can use the same method we used to take it off.
Alright guys, so that's all there is to it for replacing the pulley on your Freedom Drive for your Lightning Kayak. If you have any trouble, if you get stuck, if you need help, if you have questions, anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. support@lightningkayaks.com. Huge thanks to Bailey Munson here for showing us how to work on these boats, how to work on the drives. That's all we've got for you for this one, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for all your help, man.
No problem.